With back to school coming up and the cell phone bans in much of the country, many people are wondering, what do we do to communicate? Well, if your students have passed the test and are amateur radio licensed, this may be a great way to communicate. Handheld radios may, in many cases, be allowed where cell phones, smartphones aren't. Check your state and check your particular school to see what their rules are. So, what you may want to do to get on the radio very easily is go to Repeater Start. That shows a topo map app with a topo map that shows all the nearby repeaters. You can see by the topo map this is a repeater on a peak. Should be very good for extending your range talking to people. So choose your repeater, hit the question mark, choose any number of 20 different radios. This is a FT70. These are the step-by-step instructions for it. And now you can hit print. And print it out to give to your students. No cell phone needed. So this will tell you step by step with diagram. Turn on the radio with the side button. Step 2, set frequency mode with VM if it's not in that mode already. Frequency 440825 for this repeater. Step 3, set squelch. That's under F and then 5. That's DCS. Press F button to set it. Step 4, use the squelch. F and then 6. Make sure it's DCS 125. Yep, 125. And press F to set it. So, there you go. No cell phone needed. You can use the iOS or Android mobile app to print directions and use that even if cell phones are not allowed, if ham radio setups are allowed. So that's your Repeater Start app that gives you those options. It's for iOS or Android, $14.99 one-time purchase. Check it out.